So I was just about to go and get my hair cut. As you can see, I'm in dire need of one. However, the road in both directions is completely flooded. You can't see it just here. Fortunately, near my house, it's not flooded, but in both directions. We live right near the river, and it looks like parts of the river have just burst and there's water spilling over on both ways. So that's fun. There has been a ton of rainfall in the region, in Thailand, recently. Further south in Hat Yai, there's really bad flooding. So I was expecting there to be a high river level, but I didn't know it was this bad. So yeah, I did, however, just fit a GoPro mount to my motorcycle helmet. So I thought this might be a fun time to test that out and maybe show you guys some of the flooding. We'll go to the left where it's really bad. I'll probably do a U-turn. And we are going to have to cross some of the flooded area because I've got no food in the house and I need to get my hair cut, like I said. So maybe that will look cool if we get some of that on video and hopefully we don't get stuck. All right guys, I'm just going to put some older trainers on and then we'll head out.